I've been reminding Lieutenant Colonel Chavez of the existence of the international criminal tribunals because he has grown so confident in the control that he exercises on the Venezuelan judicial powers that he's forgetting that there are international criminal tribunals who are looking at him. And I can tell that with assurance. I was one of the creators of the International Criminal Court as well as the International Criminal Tribunals for former Yugoslavia, Rwanda, and Sierra Leone when I was a member of the Security Council of the United Nations. And I told Chavez that the worst punishment given in Rwanda were to those people who work at television stations, Milcolins, who use the massive power of communications to promote hate, violence, and death. It's exactly what he does, Chavez, every day in Venezuela. He uses for hours the radio and television throughout the country to promote hate, violence, and to create a climate of impunity for which one day he will be also prosecuted. And on top of that, the next charge against him, and I think the most specific one, will be for the crime of pillaging. Pillaging means ransacking, stealing, robbing, sequestering, humiliating people. Is a crime against humanity and is precisely defined in the Statute of Rome, which created the International Criminal Court at The Hague.